How to transfer WhatsApp chats without Google Drive or iCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can transfer WhatsApp chats without Google Drive or iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, WhatsApp recently released a new feature where they're going to let users transfer chats without them using their Google Drive account, as long as you have your old account and your new phone, just in case. To do this, first of all, make sure you've updated the WhatsApp application and then just go ahead and then open it up. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Let's say all these chats I want to transfer to another phone. Just make sure that you have another phone with you, and then you want to make sure to tap the three dots option over here. Go to settings, then just go to chats. Then scroll down here, you'll find this option called transfer chats. Right over here you can say transfer chat history to Android phone, which means you can transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using Google Drive. So all you have to do is now just tap the start option. Then after you've done that, just scan the QR code in another WhatsApp. Once you scan the QR code of another WhatsApp, make sure to place it, and then all of the chats are going to get automatically transferred. That's it for today's video on how you can transfer WhatsApp chats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.